Hello guys, welcome to another super simple guitar tutorials. Today we are going to learn a beautiful and classical song which called Can't Help Falling in Love by Elvis Presley. For the basics of this song, you need your guitar and standard tuning, and you will need a capo on the second fret of your guitar. So put the capo on the second fret of your guitar and let's jump to the lesson. First of all, let's learn the strumming pattern, because we're going to use the strumming pattern the entire song. So the strumming pattern will go like down, up, down, down, up, down. Again, down, up, down, down, up, down. Now that we learned our strumming pattern, let's move to the intro part. In the intro part, we have C, G, and we're going to play the intro part for 2 times, and each chord for 1 strumming pattern. So the intro will sound like this. Now we get to the verse part. In the verse part, we split it for 2 parts. In the first part, we have C, E minor, A minor for 2 strumming pattern, F, C, and G for 2 strumming pattern. Notice the numbers above each chord. It shows that we're going to play that chord for how many strumming pattern. For example, there is no number above C chord, so it means that we're going to play just once. But in the A minor and G, there is a number 2. It means that we are going to play these chords for 2 strumming pattern. So the first part of verse sounds like this. Now, in the second part of the verse, we have F, G, A minor, C, G, and again, finally, a G for 2 strumming pattern. So the second part of verse will sound like this. Now finally we get to the chorus part, which is really easy. We have E minor, B7 for 3 strumming pattern, again E minor, A7, and D minor, and G. Notice that we're going to play E minor and B7 for 3 times, and each chord for 1 strumming pattern. So the chorus part will sound like this. Thanks for the watching guys, and if you find out this lesson helpful, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more easy guitar tutorials. See you later.